Hey everybody, it's me. And today it's raining and my street is flooding and my basement is starting to flood again. And yeah, it's a little crazy, but me and Benny are here hanging out in my room and we're just watching some TV and listen to the rain fall on the roof. And yeah, we're just chilling and relaxing, playing with some Webkins. You know, we've got my stuffed animals in my bed. We have a naked puppy in my bed. And yeah, I will be showing you the street being flooded at some point in time. Just that right now I'm just chilling out with Benny and making sure that he's happy. 'Cause he's my baby boy and I love him. Right, Ben? Yeah, you good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are a sweet little puppy. I hope you're ready for your close-up. Oh, my puppy's getting seepy. Seepy boy. Don't worry, I'll shut some lights off so you can get cozy that way too. Okay, Ben? Okay, my good boy. So, yeah, that's where we're at right now. With the rain, the street's starting to flood and having problems in the basement with that flooding. So, yeah, it's a little crazy right now. So, we're just gonna hang out and I'm probably gonna get myself something to eat. And, yeah, we'll just go from there and just have some fun while doing that. And, yeah. And, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. And please subscribe to my channel. And remember, peace, love, and puppy dogs. Thank you for watching. Please keep me in your prayers, and let's hope this all ends up being a-okay. See you guys in the next video. Later. Bye-bye.